we're doing anime hair. I feel like my hair is already anime hair, but I want my videos to be on brand with my channel, so we're gonna call this anime hair. I mean, like, there's a lot of anime characters that have gradient colored hair, or they have like weird colored highlights in their hair that aren't possible. But today I will show you how to get a gradient anime hairstyle. Hair color? Yeah. Both, maybe, potentially. What is this? Welcome to this. People always ask me how I do my hair, or like who does my hair, or where do I go to get my hair done, and it me. Hi, welcome to me. I do my own hair. I get so many questions and compliments and everything like that on a daily basis that I feel like I have to put it into a video, and I want to stay on brand, so I'm gonna call it anime hair. How I get my anime hair. I thought it would be fun. I need to redo my hair right now as it is. So I feel like, so I thought it'd be cool if I showed you guys how I dye my hair. Maybe you want to know this, maybe you don't want to know this, but for my sanity, for my mental health, I need to put it into a video so that if anyone asks me about my hair again, I can just be like, yo, check out my YouTube channel, you know. Yo, girl, check out my YouTube. Just kidding. I wouldn't do that. But yeah, so I'm going to be dyeing my hair today. It is very, very washed out at the moment. This is probably the longest my hair has been like colored. Usually I try and do like pastelish colors, and they wash out very quickly because my hair is like super porous. From all of the bleaching. I've been bleaching my hair for probably about 6 years. So, for a very long time I've been bleaching my hair, so my hair is, you know, very porous. The dye leaves it very quickly, so I usually have to dye it about once every month or once every month and a half, depending on like how dark I dye it and how much it washes out, how much I physically wash my hair. So I use semi-permanent dye, and every time you wash it, it just comes out because it's semi-permanent. So we're gonna be taking my hair a little bit darker. I originally had this color for my root, and it faded. Where was I? Let me just interrupt my own video. So I had my hair, where was it? So I had my hair this color. It was a dark root, and it faded out. And it faded out into a very light version of this color, and still not as light as my ends are right now, but I was going for a dark root moment. We're gonna be taking this even darker, so I'm gonna move this dark color down to here, and then probably making this like a very, very dark blue, like midnight, like indigo, like a very, very dark blue, so that we get like a really nice gradient from really, really dark to very light. I'm gonna leave the ends this color because it's just gonna like look really nice when it fades out. So yeah, if you are curious of how I dye my hair, thanks for watching. Thanks for clicking on this video. Thanks for watching how to make anime hair. How do you do the anime hairs? We're gonna dye this hair. There's something about this bun that like makes my life happy. I can feel it's like my anime antenna. So like all the 90s anime girls with antennas for hair pieces. This is my 90s anime girl antenna. Just makes me feel calm and at peace. Let's go dye some hair. Hello, welcome to my bathroom. So the first thing that you need to do to have anime hair is change into a different black hoodie. These are the dyes that I use. I exclusively use Pulp Riot. They just have all of the colors and the formula that I like. Unfortunately, this specific brand is like salon only. These also you could buy on eBay or Amazon, but there's no guarantee that these are legit or authentic, so I wouldn't recommend doing it. But you know, if you can't get it any other way, you gotta do what you gotta do. So today I'll be using Aquatic. That's already on my hair. So basically I just used this straight up and mixed it with some conditioner to get to the fade. To get the fade at the bottom. But we are going to be using Nightfall. Nightfall? Yes. We are going to be using Nightfall to get a darker root to make this a gradient to this. I'm gonna leave my ends how they are, however they are.
Hey guys, so I actually lost the footage of me explaining the technique that I'm using in this clip and lots of the other clips that you're about to see. I'm basically just like really getting in there and blending the two colors together. As you can see right now, I'm really getting all up in that hair strand. We are blending these two colors into each other, getting that nice gradient effect. Sometimes you gotta dip your fingers into the dye and just slap it on there, just like, and just like rub it in to the hair follicle. So that's what's happening. I'm just very much blending this into the hair and down the piece of hair that I'm working on. And that's basically it. You just blend the colors all over the place. I'm going to sign off now. That is what I'm doing. This has been my TED Talk.
I have the most of the frontal part of my head done now, and I've just set up my mirror so that I can start to do the back. And I've tied the hair up on the sides of my head so that these parts that I don't want dye on don't touch other dye, so that they stay nice and crisp and whitish green instead of this normal green. It actually looks like it looks a little lighter on camera, but it does, I have the dye going like almost until the very end. So these are the results. I am officially, yep. I am officially a Bluenette. I know, this is actually, the internet told me that Bluenettes are emotionless girls, so. Do I fit the part? I think I nailed it. I think I nailed it. I also gave my bangs a little bit of a trim, and I also shaved my side shaves. You know, usually when I dye my hair, I give myself a little bit of a hair cut as well. I was gonna curl it to make it look really cute and cool, but like literally curls will stay in my hair for like 3 seconds, and there's really no point because it takes me like an hour to get my hair curled. So this is my natural hair state anyway. I am so happy with how it turned out. I think it looks super cool, definitely festive for Halloween. Now I have to find a Halloween character that I can be with my natural hair. It's not. With my hair color as it is now. The only thing that I'm like kind of upset about is I didn't leave any dye in the ends of my hair, but just because of how potent this blue dye is, just by rinsing it out, it dyed the ends of my hair. Which, you know, dyeing your hair is trial and error. I will know for next time. Plus the dye leaves my hair from the ends first for some reason. So this will probably be out within like a wash or two, this part. So I'm not like super worried about it. I think it looks super cute. It's official. I am a Bluenette. Yes, I did that. I hope you enjoyed my Bluenette transformation. I certainly did. I am ready to rock this hairstyle. I'm probably going to get so many more compliments. It looks so good. I swear by Pulp Riot, like their dyes are just so nice and vibrant, and for the most part, right out of the box, they're pretty unique. This aquatic color is like exactly in the middle of blue and green. When you put green up to it, it looks blue, and when you put blue up to it, it looks green. It's like really unique in that way, and I love it. I'm so excited for it to like wash out a bit. It is kind of dark for me at the moment, but I am so excited for it. I'm gonna live my best Bluenette life. That was it. That was me dyeing my hair. That's how I dye my hair. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!